Today, I'm checking out TiviMate, one of the top IPTV players for Android TVs and Fire Sticks. It lets you stream live TV playlists, M3U links, Xstream codes, and Stalker portals, all through a clean, easy-to-use interface. The free version gives you one playlist and a simple guide, but if you upgrade to premium around $5 a year or $20 for life, you unlock multiple playlists, recording, catch-up, parental controls, and full customization. Setup is quick. Sideload it with Downloader on Fire Stick or install it on Android TV, then add your IPTV link and customize the layout. The interface is smooth, modern, and packed with features like multi-screen viewing and recording, perfect for sports fans or heavy IPTV users. The only downsides are that you have to sideload it and the price recently increased a bit. Bottom line, the free version works fine for basic watching. But if you want advanced tools and smooth performance, TiviMate Premium is absolutely worth it.